In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 easy ways to style your natural curly hair. We're going to start with this look, which was achieved by 2 large flat twists. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above, which shows other ways to wear your flat twist. But this is look number 1, so keep watching for the rest of the looks. Now look number 2 is very similar to look number 1, except instead of having a middle part, we now have a side part, and then I'm just going to fluff it up because I like big hair, so I'm going to get it to my liking. For look number 3, we're going to keep it down, but we're going to take that side. I know some people like to tuck it behind their ear, but instead we're just going to take it and pull it back a little and then pin it down with a few bobby pins. Now my hair is in a stretched out state because, as I said, this was achieved by 2 large flat twists. But these looks that I'm showing you can be done whether your hair is in a wash and go, or if it's stretched out like mine, or even if it's actually straight like a silk press. Look number 4, we're going to go with the traditional half up, half down. So here you usually see me fluffing out the front to try to hide my middle part from my original look. And then I'm just going to take the top half, pull it all up into a little ponytail, and grab a ponytail holder. Now for this look, we're going to stick with the half up, half down. Only difference is instead of rocking a full ponytail at the top, I'm just going to take that hair and tuck it under and make it into a large puff or ball, as you may call it. And then I'll just clip the ends under with a bobby pin. Now, if you aren't a ponytail or a puff type person, another option to do is to take that top half, twist it around your ponytail. That way you'll have a nice little tight twisted top knot at the top. This look is for those that love a top bun, which is me. So all I do is take all of my hair, bring it to the top, grab a ponytail holder, loop it through 2 times, and then pull the hair up, make a bun of my choice. Sometimes I leave hair sticking out at the back. Sometimes I tuck it all in with the bobby pin. It's up to you, your choice. Now, if you don't want to rock a bun, then you can just pull your hair all the way through and just rock the classic ponytail. Have everything loose in the back, fluff it up to your liking, get it to the size you want, and go from there. Another option, if you want to wear your hair down and your front area just isn't acting right, do what I do. Throw a headband on. Headbands make a big difference when it comes to your hairstyles. So if my front area isn't acting right, doesn't want to lay down, doesn't want to part right, I'll just throw a headband on and it completely changes the look and I'm good to go. This is for those that love, instead of a high bun, a medium bun or a low bun. So all I'm doing, once again, just like the high bun, pulling my hair through, but then I'm going to stop midway or halfway through the ponytail and just tuck the remaining ends under. Or again, sometimes I like to leave them loose. And then once again, if I don't feel like the front of my hair is looking right, or I don't want to gel it down because I don't use gel that much, I just grab a headband, throw it on, and I'm good with the look. So this is the top quick and easy hairstyles for natural curly hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to let me know in the comment section which was your best option. As always, thanks for watching.